Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Norah. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Yay! Yay!
What time was it?
Whatever. Yeah.
Oh, there, now she's got it.
Yay! She's gonna eat that whole cake?
No. She knows how to say
It looks like she was
it.
doing that.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh my god, that's so yummy, yummy.
Everybody's like,
You're gonna be sick. She gets a real
Maybe not
frosty.
stay that way when she gets a taste of it.
Kim, get in there with her. Get a picture of your one-year-old. Sorry.
Is that cake, Maya?
Nora?
Is it?
Nummy,
Oh my gosh, her hand.
Ooh,
Yeah, that's the black
don't let her strangle.
I know. We should do
is
like
it cake?
Oh my god.
Now she's like, okay.
Mom, you notice we have a tablecloth underneath this, right?
That'd be fun.
Hey, you might want to move your purse.
Yes.
Ooh.
You. Like my
Oh.
friend did that on my birthday.
Oh.
Oh my.
I think she should get to the cake.
I know this is I'm thinking. Yeah,
Why'd you help her?
the frosting.
There.
Oh.
She's gonna be sick.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Nora and Kimberly both just went like this. Put their face there.
You mean Lindsay?
Yeah.
She's not even eating that much.
No.
She's getting it's more in her face than in her mouth.
You can't see over here.
Is that cake?
No, she's a cupcake, you know.
She's getting plenty in her
Are you
mouth.
taking pictures, Lynn?
Stuff his face in it.
That's too cute.